Alright, what's up guys and gals? So today I finally got my snorkel. Finally got it in. So quick story is I originally went with the Dobinson snorkel. I ordered it from this company, not straight from Dobinson, but I ordered it from this company online. And with the COVID thing and all this other crazy stuff that's going on in the world, I guess it's Dobinson stuff's been on back order. So I went ahead and canceled my order and went with the Ironman. So that's what we're going to be installing today. So hopefully it goes easy. I've watched a lot of videos. It looks pretty simple, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm excited to get it on. So you do get some directions. I don't know, there are a few videos on YouTube on an unboxing and installation video. This is not going to be an installation video. I'm just showing you kind of how I install it, you know, what tools I use. I'm pretty simple. I'm going to use cheap basic tools that anybody can get. And but anyways, so yeah, it does come with some instructions. It does come with a template. Here's the template you'll get. It's just a piece of cardboard. I accidentally ripped it. So anyways, but yeah, so we're going to get this taped on. We're going to tape off the fender first and tape this on. So real quick, on the pillar here, Ironman did send a bracket. I'm not going to screw into my pillar here. I'm going to use some Gorilla Tape. I have it right here somewhere. So here's the Gorilla Tape I'm going to use. It's mounting tape, double-sided. Should work good. I've seen a lot of guys do that instead of screwing into their A-pillar, so should work just fine. It should suck up the gap. There's a slight gap, but once I get that attached, there won't be. But so far, I'm liking the fitment. Looks good. It's pretty flush with the body line. Like I said, when I get that on, that should suck up there, and shouldn't be no problem. All right, just a quick recap of the snorkel. It installed fairly easy. I feel like anybody can do it, that, you know. So anyways, I love how it turned out. It made the GX look pretty sweet. I like it. I didn't get it to do water crossings or anything like that. I got it 100% because I think it looks cool. So that's the reason why I put a snorkel on the GX. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below, do all that stuff, and I'll try to do more videos in the future with this GX. Peace.